Holy crap, guys. It's May 16th still. I just uploaded a video on YouTube, I think. But it's Preston again. But now it's like raining like crazy, so I have situated my laptop on this pillow. So you can see that. Whoa! Lightning. Lightning's fun. And whoa, it's closing my door. And it's really windy. And holy crap, if you guys can see that, it's raining like crazy. And it's extremely windy. And I wouldn't be surprised if there was a tornado somewhere around. It's a hell of a lot of rain. You guys see that? You see everything out there? I'm using my laptop camera, so it's extremely hard to look and stuff. There's a ton of rain. And it's very, very windy. And I'm getting wet. And there goes the receipt. So I'll sit you here, nice and dry, while I go out in the rain. Woo! Woo! And I'm soaked! Oh no, I just got my laptop wet. I have a towel over there, that's good. I'm gonna go back out there, it's fun. Oh! Oh! Bad idea. Very bad idea. My dog's out that window, and I can... Oh! Yeah, put on another shirt and stuff, but I'll try to open these blinds here. Dog is barking. Oh, but it's pretty intense. It is pretty intense out there. I can see my video quality isn't good enough to make too much of an impression on you. But if you can see that, lightning, and I don't think you can hear my dog barking. There's out that window, so you can see the tree and stuff. Well, let's situate you right here. Can you see the doghouse? Can you see it? Can you? This is in the way. Just a second, guys. Uh-oh. Okay, good. I'm only at 2 minutes. Whoa, a lot of thunder. Get this thing out of the way. Alright, watch this. Okay. You guys can see now? It's my little dog house. Dog's house. Okay, now I'm going to go out there and get my dog, because she's retarded and barking. I think she's stuck around a tree. So I'll be right back. Wish me luck. Hope I don't get hit by lightning, or hope I get hit by lightning. Whatever floats your boat, you know? Oh my gosh, my other door's open too. I'm going to have to go close that. But I'll be right back, guys. Hold tight. Ah! Okay. 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 So you just saw me brave the elements. I've gone over 4 minutes, but punish me if you want. This is going to be a couple minutes longer, actually. My dog is miserable, so I'm going to go find the keys and put her downstairs. I like my hair all wet and such. Smaller. Oh, look how sad she looks. Alright, look at this. I don't know if you can see it from here, but very, very sad little puppy. She's just staring at me like, take me inside. That's what I'm about to do. But, guess I should sign off here. Hope we don't die or get a tornado. I'm in North Carolina, so I don't know. Whatever. DFTBA.